Do you want a chance at winning a PS5? Well, listen up. To enter the giveaway, you must follow these 3 steps. Step 1, must be subscribed to Reshoevn8r and Jonny Bubbles' YouTube channel. Step 2, you must be following ManyWorlds.az and Jonny Bubbles' Instagram account. And step 3, you must answer the 2 questions in the description below. The giveaway will be running until December 31st, which I'll be going live on ManyWorlds' Instagram account to announce the winner. Good luck, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the special edition episode of a Shoe Care Academy video. I'm Jonny Bubbles, and today I am going to be cleaning these 25th anniversary Jordan 11 Jubilees that, as you can see, have definitely seen better days, guys. Well, I'm excited for this cleaning. Shout out to Snipes for sending us this pair a couple weeks back, so I know what you guys are thinking. How did we dirty them already? It's just what we do, tutorial purposes, guys. All right, without further ado, let's get bubbly. All right, guys, before I get into today's cleaning, let's talk a little bit about the 11s. Now, these first debuted back in 1995 after Michael Jordan came back from retirement. And it's crazy to think that we almost didn't see this pair on court, and that's because the NBA fined Michael Jordan for violating the uniform policy. That's crazy to even think of because this is such a sought after pair that you already know most people love 11s. But that's it, guys. Let's get into today's cleaning. First step is to remove the laces. You always want to do this so that way you can get a nice deep clean on the tongue. All right, now that the laces are removed, you want to grab your adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. These are a size 13, so I'm going to go ahead and take it up maybe to the last one. Push it in there, and we are good. Now the next step, guys, grab your bottle solution. You want to go ahead and pour just a couple squirts into your bowl of water. And as always, you want to start cleaning the uppers with the soft bristle brush. All right, guys, I am done cleaning the uppers with the soft bristle brush. It went ahead and did its thing and it cleaned up really nice. Now there is some dirt in the inner lining here. I don't know if you can see it on camera, and a little bit on the midsole. So I'll definitely be using the medium brush for that. And then we'll tackle the outsoles with the stiff bristle brush. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, guys, it's the holidays, and you know we love doing giveaways. So one lucky winner is gonna have the chance at winning a Reshoevn8r holiday kit. All you have to do to enter is 2 simple things. You must be subscribed to Snipes' YouTube channel and answer this simple question. What year did Snipes open their first location? Make sure you go ahead and comment the answer below with your Instagram handle. We'll be contacting the winner in 72 hours. All right, guys, the shoe is all clean. Go ahead and check it out. Let me do a full 360. And check out that outsole, looking nice and crispy once again. Now the last step in this cleaning is to grab your laces. Now what I would recommend is if you have a shoe that's that dirty and has like a lot of mud, change out your water and just add like maybe a little squirt of solution for your laces. I'm not gonna do that for this pair because these laces are black, so I'm not really worried. But that's just a little quick tip if your water's like all muddy. There you go, guys. The laces are all clean and ready to dry. So we're gonna let the shoe and the laces dry for a couple hours, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back from letting the shoe dry, and go ahead and check out the before and after of the cleaning. It's looking just like it did when it came out the store, right, Matthew? This shoe kind of reminds me of Raider colors, and I'm a Raider fan, so you definitely know when we're able to go back to, you know, sport games, I'm gonna rock these to a Raider game because these are super fire. But yo, shout out to our guys over at SnipesUSA for sending us over this pair. We are super thankful. Don't forget to enter that giveaway, guys, for the holiday box. You don't want to miss out on that. I'm Jonny Bubbles, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.